Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside a computer the moment you click a button? Let's understand it in just 1 minute. Everything starts with an input. Whether it's a keyboard, mouse, or microphone, these devices send your instructions to the CPU. These digital signals reach the motherboard, which acts like a highway connecting every important component inside the computer. To help the CPU work faster, the computer uses RAM. RAM stores only the data currently being used. Next comes the CPU, the brain of the computer. It reads your instructions, performs calculations, and decides what should happen next. Once processing is complete, the results are sent to output devices like your monitor, speakers, or printer. But where is your data saved permanently? That's the job of the SSD or hard disk. All these components work together in milliseconds, allowing your computer to perform millions of tasks every second. The power supply provides electricity, while the cooling fan keeps the system standard from overheating. Remember this simple sequence: input, processing, output, click a button. That's how every computer works. Follow for more easy computer lessons.